So what am I doing standing up against the wall like I'm a mafia star? Well, down here there's a tennis ball. That tennis ball is actually slowly starting to release a really specific muscle that's responsible for a lot of knee pain. It's called your TFL for short. You can refer to that. Most people notice that, but it's also called your tensor fascia lata. Say that fast when you go to order a coffee. So how you're going to do this is you're going to take this tennis ball, or a lacrosse ball as well, but tennis balls are easier on your wall, is you're going to actually put it, and that TFL is a little star-shaped muscle. So it looks like my hand. This is the TFL, and this is actually the IT band. So a lot of runners have heard of that. So it goes, this is the muscle belly, and this is the actual tendon that goes down, and that actually starts up here in the hip, goes all the way down the outside of the leg, and connects to the top or bottom of the knee, just underneath the joint. So what we're going to do is we're going to start to break up some of the adhesions that go in there, and you're going to do that using this tennis ball. Basically, you're going to put it right underneath the hip bone. So there's my hip. People have felt that before. It's underneath that. So it's kind of like right in that belt line area, and you're going to just lean up against it. So this is a beautiful lean. Now remember, the key to this is always going to be just make sure it's gentle. Everything I do to myself creates a small inflammatory response. It must be gentle. So intensity, 0 to 10, 10's unbearable, 0's you don't even notice it. I want this to be a 3. So it's just, oh yeah, that's a sensitive spot. That's a little bit uncomfortable. That's a 3. And then you hold. I'm not increasing the lean against the wall. I'm just holding that spot. I'm going to hold and have my latte and hold until the intensity starts to drop. Once that intensity is down around a 1 or a 0, guess what? You move. Did you see that? You didn't even see it, but I did. I moved about 3, maybe 1.5 inches on the ball to a new spot that's just a little bit tender, and then I'm going to hold it there. And you're going to hold. So people say, well, how long do I hold it for? You hold it until it's not intense anymore. So it's super simple. Every single person is different. Put it in there, find a spot that's a little sensitive, and hold. As this gets better and better, that muscle gets healthier and healthier. It takes the tension off the band itself, and that takes the tension off the knee. And that's why you get a lot of people that have knee pain, is a lot of it is coming from your hips and your glutes. This little trick that I just showed you, you'll be able to do and break up a lot of issues that go along in the IT band, in the glutes, in the piriformis, all the way along, with the rule always being the same. Find a sensitive spot, hold it super gentle till the intensity drops, and then you gently move. Over the course of 3-4 weeks, even a month and a half, you're going to find you get a lot of relief in that lower extremity by using that technique.